Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Kia Soul LX. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.